Morning students, welcome back to the online class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is truth table. Truth table and how to create a truth table. Okay. Now see, first we have to know what is actually truth table. So truth table means what? A truth table is a table which represents all the possible values of logical variables or statements along with all the possible results of the given combination of values. It means what? The user, whatever the user which gives the input, they give the input and after that the output, the combination output will be displayed by through a tabular form. Means what? All the possible combinations, whatever the possible combination is outcomes, that will be what? That will be presented by a tabular form. This is called a truth table. In Boolean algebra, truth table is so important. So now today we will discuss the truth table and how to create the truth table. Say example, I am taking variable x and y as a variable, two variables, and the result of r, the result of x and y is the result of r. Okay. Now, for example, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is the truth table. Okay, so means what? I am taking two variables x and y. So means what? The possibility of combination is 4 because 2 to the power n. The n power is what? 2 to the power 2 means equal to 4. Okay, so the 4 combination is possible here. Okay. Now in this way we can create a truth table. Okay. Now look. Now in the book, you can see in the book page number 659. You can see there are many truth tables given here. Or you can see in the 661 page number. So you will see here there are different truth tables given here. Now from this table we are going to discuss some basic table informations. Okay, then we will discuss these examples here. Okay, now see, the first example I am taking is the x plus y z dash bar. Okay. Create a truth table. Create a truth table for the following. Okay. Now the expression is x plus yz dash bar. Okay. Now I am creating this x plus yz dash bar as a truth table. Okay. Now here you can see this plus. This is a what? This is a plus. Plus means what? Plus represents what? Addition. Addition. And this is used in where? In OR. Okay. In OR. In the previous class we discussed the logical operator and or not. In the OR operator, in the OR logical operator, use additional. The symbols used in OR operator is the plus symbol. Okay, means what? The operations performed by the OR operator is represented by a plus symbol. Okay, now discuss these things. X plus y z dash bar. Now, first we have to check how many variables x, y, z means 3 variables. 3 variables means what? 2 to the power n. N means what? Number of variables. 2 to the power 3 means what? Equal to 8. Means what? In this truth table we get 8 combinations, 8 possible combinations. Okay, first of all we have to know that there are 8 possible combination in the truth table. Okay. Now first we have to write the truth table. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one is 8. Okay, these are the 8 combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now first we have to get the x value. First x. After that y. After that z. Okay. X, y, z. We need these 3 variables. Okay. Now after that you can see the bar. X, y, z bar. Okay, y dash bar means what? Y dash bar means what? Y dash bar means what? There is a what? There is a dot symbol in the y z. Means what? Y into z. Y into z. Okay, means what? There is another dot symbol is here, but dot symbol is not shown here. Okay, means what? There is a dot symbol. Okay, and this is what? This is a what? Dot symbol is what? Dot symbol means it is a AND operator. It is a AND operator, AND logical operator. Okay. Now next point is YZ. Y into Z. Okay. After that what happens? YZ bar. Y Z bar means y into z bar, whole bar. After last combination is what? X plus yz bar. X plus yz bar. Here you write x plus yz bar. Okay. Now this is the structure of this truth table. Now you can see there are 8 combinations. Means what? 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So first we have to divide the 8 into 4 digits. Okay, 4 digits. Okay, first we have to write 4 0 0 0 0 0. It is a what? It is a like a format we can use in giving the value of the boolean. Okay, 0 0 0. First 4 0. Okay, after that 4 1. Then next is 0 0 1 1. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. And after that single 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now I can see. Now I can see y into z. Into means what? Dot. Dot means what? AND operator. AND operator means what? Both the expressions should be true. Both the expression should be true. If both the expressions should be true, then the output will be true. Okay? This is the main thing of AND operator. Okay. If both the expressions are true, then it returns true value. Now you can see here yz. This 2 column. Okay? 0 0 0 0 means what? 0 0 1 means what? Both the expressions should be true. Here is a false value. So that's why it is false. Okay? Next thing 1 0. Definitely false. 1 1 means what? Both the expressions are true. Means what? True. 0 0 definitely false. 0 1 false. 1 0 false, again 1 1 true. Okay, this is the x dot y column. Okay, and it is used as a dot symbol means what? An operator. Okay, means multiplication. Now next thing is y z whole bar. Means what? The bar means what? Bar symbol means what? It means what? Not operator. Not operator, complement. You can see reversion or inverter. Means what? The NOT gate is used where the original condition should be. Means what? The not operator is used to change the original condition or original condition. It reverses the original conditions. So here what? YZ means what? This column. This column you have to reverse. Okay, 0. Here 0. 0 means what? Here you have what happened? 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 0. Means what? This is the original condition. After that when I use bar, it means what? Not get used means what? The original decision or the original condition will reverse. Okay, so this is the yz bar. Now the last part is x plus yz bar. X plus yz bar. The plus symbol means what? The plus symbol means what? It is means what? Addition means what? OR operator. OR operator means what? If either one condition is true, then it returns true. Again I say the OR operator means what? Either one condition should be true. If either one condition is true, then the output will be true. Okay. Now you can see here x, this column and this column. Just identify these two columns. Okay. 0 1 what? 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 means 0. Both the expressions are false. 1 1 definitely 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 0 what? 1. Okay, this is the truth table of x plus y z whole bar. Okay. I think you understand these things, x plus y z whole bar. This is the truth table. Now, next example. Page number 662. There is an example given here in the last part. Truth table for 3 variable expressions. Okay. This is also 3 variable expression. Now, okay. Now, next thing is 663. Page. There is an example given here. Prepare truth table for the following Boolean expressions. Okay, first I am writing the questions. Prepare truth table for the following. And the expression is x y bar plus z bar plus x y bar, x dot y bar. Now this is the expressions. Now we are going to create the truth table. Okay. Now you can see the variables x, y and z. Means again there are 3 variables. There are 3 variables means what? 8 combinations. Okay. Now first of all we have to draw the tables. First was x. Okay, first one is x. Now first draw the 8th row. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay. Now this is the 8th row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. First one is what? X. X. Then what? Y. Y. Last one is Z. This is the 3 variables. After that, what I want? You can see what I want. You can see here Y bar and Z bar. Y bar and next is Z bar. Okay, Y bar and Z bar. After that, you can see there is a Y bar plus Z bar. We want Y bar plus Z bar. This column. Okay. The next column is X Y bar plus Z bar. X Y bar plus Z bar. Okay. The table is bigger because the expression is also big. Okay. Now next thing is what? I want X dot Y bar. Means X dot Y bar. Okay. And the last part means what? The total. Means all the expression. Right here, all the expressions. X Y bar plus Z bar plus X Y bar. Okay, this is the full expression. Okay, now see, I am creating the truth table. Okay, again here you can see 2 to the power 3 means 8 combinations, 8 possible combinations. First 8 means what? First divide the 8 divided by 2 means what? 4 and 4. 4 0 and 4 1. Again after that divide the 4 by 2 means double. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. And last time what was single value 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, this is the first 3 variable expressions. Okay, now value. Now next thing is Y bar means what? This column Y bar. We have to convert it to the means what? Y bar means what? We have to reverse the conditions. So for 0 means 1. Again 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. Again Z bar, this column is bar. Reverse the condition 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 and 1 0. Okay, so this is the X Y bar and Z bar. Now this time what happened? This time what happened? Y bar plus Z bar. Here plus symbol is used. Plus means what? Addition means odd. Okay? In odd what happened? Either one condition should be true. Okay. Y bar plus Z bar means these two columns. Okay, these two columns we have to calculate. Okay, these two columns y bar plus z bar. Plus means what? Or either one condition should be true. 1 1 means what? Definitely 1. 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 and 0 0 0. So this column is now finished. Next thing is x into y bar plus z bar. Y bar plus z bar is already I am creating. Now this column x into, this is into means what? The into means what? Multiplication means what? N operator. Okay, N operator. Now in N operator what happen? Both the conditions should be true. If both the conditions are true, then it returns true value. Otherwise false. Okay. Now see these two columns x y bar plus z bar. 0 1 definitely 0. 0 means you can see here when you can see 0 0 0 0 means what? Definitely false. So that's why there is 0. Okay, 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 means output will be 0. Next 1 again here 1 means what? Both the condition true. That's why answer will be true. 1 again 1 again true. 1 1 again true. 1 0 0. So this column is now finished. Now move to the next column, x dot y bar. These two columns, x dot y bar. Dot means what? N operator. Again, both the conditions should be true. 0 1 definitely 0. 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Where you see 0 in the OR operator, directly give the answer 0 because either one condition should be true or both the conditions should be true. If both the conditions should be true, then the output will be true. So that's why if you see this 0 means definitely the output will be 0 in an operator. Next 1 1 1 means what? 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. So this column is now finished. And the last column, that is x into y bar plus z bar plus x y bar. Okay. Now this column I want. This column is finished. This column is this, and this column is this one. So means these two columns I want, and it is combined by the plus symbol. Means what? OR operator. Means if either one condition is true, then the output will be true. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. So this is the answer of this truth table. So in this way we can create the truth table. Any table you can create if it is two variable or three variables. This is the three variable truth table. Okay. Now we can create any truth table with the help of the AND or NOT operator. Okay. So with the help of these things we can create a truth table. Okay. I think you understand these things. So in this way we can create a truth table with the help of an expressions. This is called expressions, and this expression can be defined with the help of a tabular format. This is called a truth table. Okay, in your exam maybe this type of things coming. Prepare or create a truth table for the following expressions. Given the expression, if with the help of these expressions you can create the truth table. Okay, for that reason we have to know and or not operator. So in the previous class we discussed this logical operators. Okay, so I think you understand these things. If you have any doubt, please do comment. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching this video. Again I say, stay at home and be safe. Thank you everybody. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you.